Brother Genuine Cartridge. Brother TN210BK is a Brother Genuine cartridge that produces black prints in high quality you can depend on. Yields up to 2,200 pages. This replacement standard yield black toner cartridge can print approximately 2,200 pages. Seamless integration. This professional replacement black toner cartridge creates rich blacks and is engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother printer. For use with Brother printers and all-in-ones, HL3040CN, HL3045CN, HL3070CW, HL3075CW, MFC9010CN, MFC9120CN, MFC9125CN, MFC9320CW, MFC9325CW. Top reviews from the United States. Great cartridge and a helpful tip for those of us who want all of the toner that we pay for. I print a lot, and I always buy my cartridges from Amazon because they are so much cheaper than anywhere else. I would like to add that my Brother printer always alerts me that the cartridges need changing a long time before they actually do. You can ignore this for ages, but finally it will stop printing and demand that you change the cartridge. But still, there is a lot of toner left. For the eco and budget-minded customer, you can easily reset this to continue printing until you have used all of your toner. Why pay for stuff you don't use, especially as many of us take the cartridges in for recycling? Do they go back to Brother? Does Brother clean them out before refilling? Or do they just reclaim what is left and resell it? I don't know, but I want what I paid for, Brother.